Alright, just want to get a quick update on the condo. I think we're pretty much done with this wall. Did a little bit more sanding, a little bit more patching, but I think it's ready for texture. We're gonna try out this stuff later on. See if it's worth anything, see if we can match it. But other than that, we've been mostly busy prepping the ceiling and the other walls ready for painting. We washed down the walls, trying to get rid of any residual cigarette smoke smell in the unit. But yeah, we've just been patching the walls, sanding them down, trying to get them best we could, ready for painting, working on the crown molding, sanding that down, removing all the excess caulking and get that ready to go for painting also. In the kitchen, we've been working on the cabinets, removed all the doors and sanded down the framing, getting those ready to be primed and then painted. I rerouted the electrical for the microwave. Did a California patch here. I think it came out pretty good. Not bad for my first California patch. And then just rerouted the electrical up there. Still gotta, it's roughed in right now. Still gotta do some work on that. And then, yeah, we ended up removing the granite backsplash, and at least this part of the granite here. In prepping for the granite guys to come here in a couple weeks, but when we removed the backsplash, there was no drywall behind there, so that was interesting. So did a patch, still got to work on it.
Okay, I'm ready. Recording. Oh my gosh! Great. Look at all that stuff back there. Why is it too much snow? Why is it too much?
I don't know. We'll see. It's time to call in for help. See what, yeah. See what Grandpa would do. And I think eventually we're gonna remove this granite ourselves. That'll save us about 300 bucks. That's what they were gonna charge to remove it and dispose of granite. Also been working on this a little bit. Got to get a better way to seal that off, but still have access back there. Probably use some wood. Trying to template it right now, but work on that. Also remove the trim around this attic access. Got it all cut, ready to go. Just got a couple more things to do up there. Look good? Yeah, that's what the condo looks like right now. And yeah, we're just trying to get everything ready for probably in about 2 weeks, get the granite in. 2 to 3 weeks, get the appliances in. So we're really focusing on getting everything ready for paint. Try to get the ceilings, walls, and the cabinets painted before that happens, and then I don't know, maybe get this floor in. But we got to do some repair work there too. So we'll see. It's coming along. You want some more of those? You want me to make some more for you? What? Huh? It goes up there. I knew there's an old one. I guess we could have reused those before. No, do you want more